So first things first. So let's talk about your profile pic and your bio. So you guys, this is like the very first thing someone sees when they come to your profile. And your bio is something that you really need to optimize. You have 150 characters, and in this 150 characters, you need to tell someone who you are, what you do, why they should follow you, and how they can contact you. So, I mean, maybe you can think of your bio and pic for Instagram as almost like a business card for your Instagram. So they've only got a few seconds. Another thing I think that really optimizes your bio in Instagram is if you can add your location. Personally, when I'm scrolling through, I mean, I know just recently I was looking for like a second shooter in Southern California. So I was looking at different photographers' Instagrams, but if they didn't have their location in their bio, I didn't want to take the time to like email them and ask them where they were located and all that stuff. I just want to know right away who you are, what you do, why I should follow you, how I can contact you, and for me, it helps to know like where you're located. So while Instagram is an amazing platform for your business, it's also like super personality and very friendly. So I think it's cool to like add like a little personality in there, extra emoji. So, you know, for example, right now my Instagram states that I'm a wedding photographer. I'm a photographer. I shoot weddings, fashion, lifestyle, located in Los Angeles, and then I send my audience to a link where they have 3 tips for posing in a photo. So this is, I feel really good about that. Now, when I first started Instagram, my bio didn't look like that, but now I'm much more tailored to my audience, and I want them to know, like right when they come, right off the bat, my audience knows that I'm a photographer, that I'm located in Los Angeles, and that they should follow me because I give them photo tips and, you know, lots of other things. So let's talk about your picture. So personally, I think photos of yourself are really good for Instagram. Just like I mentioned, Instagram is a creative, fun, friendly place to do business. So I love seeing someone's face. It kind of attaches like the face to the brand for me, but I have had private consultations with several businesses that want to just keep that photo as a logo. And what I say to them is go for it. If that makes you feel good, that's amazing. Just know that the message that you're sending off is that you're more business personality, maybe not as personal and maybe not as a friendly vibe. So I personally think like an up-close photo of yourself smiling. I love if I can have a profile pic with my camera in it that's pretty up close, because right then they don't even have to read any words. They know, oh, this girl's a photographer. So I definitely encourage you to take time to figure out your bio, and remember, you can change it as much as you want. I don't suggest changing your pic that often, because when people are scrolling and they can get used to seeing that picture, I think that's a positive. But you do want to change it every now and then. Like right now, I feel like I'm pretty ready to change my profile pic into something a little different. So, but I'll be thinking about it. It's not going to be something off the whim. The other thing I wanted to touch on in your bio and profile is that you have the only link that's in your Instagram account lives at your bio. You want to use this link to either send your audience to your website, send them to like your latest blog post, or send them to a landing page where they can sign up for your email list, so that they can, if they're interested in what you do and want to find out more about you, they can sign up for your newsletter and get weekly updates. So really think about how you want to use this link. For me, I change it a pretty good bit. So if I have a really strong blog post up, like right now when we're filming this is like right after Christmas, so I feel like a lot of people got engaged. So I've been working on a blog post giving tips on how to plan the perfect proposal. So in the next few days, I'll be changing, I'll add a photo to Instagram that will talk about, hey guys, I have some tips on how to plan the perfect proposal. Check out my link in profile. So my link in profile will change to the exact link that's gonna link them straight to my blog. This is called a call to action. So my call to action for that post is going to be to send them to my blog, and I'm going to be giving them information on how to plan the perfect proposal. This is great. This is something that they might want to share with their friends. This is something I could see a lot of girls that just got, or that maybe they're going to get engaged soon, want to share with their soon-to-be fiancés. I could see lots of people wanting to share this information. So I definitely want to have like the link that goes directly to that post, not just my blog in general, because I want to make it easy. I'm of customer service to my Instagram audience, so I want to make it super easy to send them directly to that link. If there's a time, maybe I did like a website update, which should be coming up, like some new photos. Maybe I'll have that link going to my website for a week or 2 weeks. And I'll let my audience know a new wedding portfolio update, and like right here, link in profile. So I'll do like a little emoji that's pointing straight to the link. Talking about the landing page, you might say something like, for weekly updates, sign up here. So then you would have a link to your landing page where they're going to give you their email, and then from there you're going to service them by sending out a weekly update on what you do, whether it's wedding photography or wedding videography, or you're a professional iPhone photographer. Whatever you're doing, you're going to send out and keep in touch with your audience in that way. So we covered your bio, your pic, and your link in your bio and pic section. So this is super important. You guys get on that, and like I said before, it can change and it will evolve and it will constantly be changing. Okay, on to the next.